Perfect. Thank you. Middle box, 2 people. Come on, girl. Come on, lady. Come on. Sit with me. Yeah, come on. Don't be shy. I'm not a crocodile. Won't bite. Yeah, don't worry. I just finished my lunch. I'm so full right now. You have a seat, please. If one just sit, then we can start. Come on. Turn around and say goodbye to my friends. Bye bye. Bye. Hey everybody, on behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Vicky, and I'm your skipper today. Hi. Thank you. Before we start, kindly remind, please remain seated. Don't change your seat. Keep your whole body in the boat area, and also please take care of your children. Okay? So, if you're ready, let's go. Yoo-hoo! First, look at our left-hand side. Just kidding, it's nothing's here. Look at our right-hand side is Tyson Treehouse. Tyson Treehouse, a wonderful place, which I love it. But Tyson go travel with Jenny, so nobody at home right now. We can't go there. But no worry, maybe a few months later when they come back, then we can go. All right? Oh, and also in our journey, you will see a lot of animals. But some of them are a bit naughty, huh? Especially for this baby elephant explorers. If you don't want to get wet, let's say no. Come on. Say it now. No, please, no. Oh, thank you. Oh, and also for our elephant explorers, it's your turn. No, please. Okay. Oh, one more. Father elephant. Oh, you're still sleeping? Hey, you know what time is it now? You're still sleeping? Sleepy elephant, just like my dad. Always sleepy. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's go. Oh no, where are we? I think we're lost. Big spider! So far. No way, I'm very scared of it. Oh. Everybody, please keep quiet and don't move. It's Cobra. Don't let them find you, otherwise they will. Okay, we're safe. We're free to go now. Yeah, don't worry, I'm your skipper. I will protect you, okay? Oh, and look, it's crocodile. Everybody, let me tell you something. Crocodile love 2 things. One is your foe, another is your girlfriend. So remain seated to protect yourself. Oh, and look, that is the game of the scientists. Let me introduce to you my friend, Dr. Cher and Dr. Armstrong. They have a, oh wait, whoa. Where is the scientist? Oh, turning to be the gorilla, and the gorilla is holding the gun. Be careful, guys! Back down, everybody! Back down! So dangerous. What's wrong? Oh look! Ooh, what kind of animal you see? Please tell me. Zebra and then elephant and giraffe. Oh, sir, you're so clever. You know a lot. So, let's guess. The baby zebra is boy or girl? Girl, you sure? Come on, just a game. If you think it's girl, raise the hand. 3 only. How about boy? One only. Thank you. So boring. You two. Oh, 2 in total. Thank you. So, let me tell you the answer. The answer is... Actually, I don't know. Sorry. Hey, I told you already. Just a game. Come on, let's move on. And see who are next. I knew it. It's hippo. But be careful, their mouth very smelly. Big mouth anything happens, please find her. Okay? It's not my fault. Okay, bye bye. Oh, so sad. Yeah, let's go. Oh, we're in the local village now, guys. Let's say hello to them. Hello, ha. Everybody, hello, ha. Hey. Hello, ha. You? Oh, be careful the backside. Guys, are you alright? Yeah? Oh, lucky. Nobody get hurt. You know what? If somebody get hurt, I will lose my job, huh? So please, protect yourself to save my career. Thank you. Wow! Oh no! Be seated, everybody! Oh, explorers. I think we're in the wrong way again. Oh, no. We have no way to go. What should we do? Oh. No, please, no, please. Wow. Finally, explorers. Finally, we survived. Yay! We did it. Whoa, whoa. Oh, hey. Baby elephant. Is you again? Oh, so cute. Alright, so guys, welcome back. So before we go, oh, everybody remains seated. Sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, please put your elbow inside the boat area. Yeah, thank you. Elbow inside, hand inside, please. Perfect, perfect. Okay. Oh, elbow inside. Thank you. Okay, so let's go home. So explorers, later, please use the middle and the back door to exit, but don't climb over my glass windows. You see? Wow, my glass windows is very expensive and I can't afford it, so don't broke it. Thank you. Use to exit to leave me, okay? So hold on. 3, 2, and 1. My boat is stopped now. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for loving. But if you didn't laugh at all, thank you for leaving. Bye. See you next time, explorers. Yeah. Watch your step and legs out. Be careful. Step by step.
Cool.